Question number 5 wants us to graph the function, state the vertex, state whether the vertex is a max or a min, and then find the intercepts. So we're going to be using the calculator for all of this, and there's a lot of different calculator commands. So it's going to take some practice, but this is a nice summary of how we do all the different commands. So you can always refer to this. Okay, so let's graph it. So I've done this beforehand, and I've taken some pictures, and now I'm just kind of talking over the pictures. So you need to press the y equals and type in your function. Then I want to go to zoom and select zoom standard. This is going to take me to the -10 to 10, -10 to 10 window that I want. And then if you press graph, then this should be your graph. So I need to find all these points. I need to find my maximum, I need to find my intercepts, and I need to find my y-intercept. So lots of different things I need to do. So if you go to second and then trace to get to the calc menu, let's select maximum so we can find our vertex, because our vertex is a maximum in this case. It won't always be. If it's shaped like this, then that's a minimum, but ours is shaped like this, so it's a maximum. Okay, so it's going to ask for a left bound and a right bound and a guess. What that's doing is, basically your calculator doesn't want to search the entire window. It wants you to narrow its focus. So we're going to give it like a left bound and then a right bound, and it will search in between these two and find where the vertex is. So we need to give it those boundaries so that it knows where to search. So as long as you declare somewhere to the left of it, it doesn't really matter where to the left, just somewhere to the left. So your numbers here could be different from mine. But I'm going to press enter, and you'll see that there's this arrow here, and that means that it's going to look in this direction. So then you want to declare somewhere to the right of the vertex, and then press enter. So now you'll see that there's two arrows here, which means it's going to just search here. And then you can make a guess. The guess doesn't need to be very good, as long as it's somewhere close. And then press enter. And you'll see that we have our maximum. Now sometimes it's going to give you like 2.999999. You can really take that to mean 3. So our maximum is 3, 1. That's really just the computer program getting really close, but it actually is 3, 1. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our problem, and it's 3, 1, and it is a maximum. Okay, so I'll put the point. 3, 1 is right there. Okay, so let's find the x-intercepts now. So I'm going to go back through the slides. Okay, the x-intercepts, you need to go to the second calc, and then it's the 0 command. And in a similar way, you need to give it a range in which to search. So you need to declare the left bound, the right bound, and then a guess. And we're trying to get this point right here. So just declare somewhere to the left of where that point is. It doesn't need to be these numbers specifically. So press enter, declare somewhere to the right, press enter. Again, you'll notice we have our arrows up here, which means it's only going to search in between those arrows. Make a guess, press enter, and you'll get 2, 0. So sometimes they do give you the exact, sometimes it could say 1.999999, but 2, 0 is going to be our intercept there. So now that we have that, I want to figure out what this one is. So go back to the second calc and select 0 again. And then declare just somewhere to the left of that one. Press enter, somewhere to the right, press enter, make a guess, press enter, and we get 4, 0. So let's go back to the problem. So I'm going to go through my slides and officially declare my x-intercepts 2, 0, and 40. So that is right here and right there. Okay, lastly is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, I'm going to go through my slides. The y-intercept, I want to do the value command. So you want to do second, calc, and then it's the first one, which is the value. And you'll see that we have x is equal to, and you can type in any number that you want. Well, for the y-intercept, x is going to be 0. So type in 0, and then press enter, and you'll get the point here, and it's 0, -8. So 0, -8 is our y-intercept. So let me mark that, and then I can actually graph it. And that's our answer.